Hey, what's up guys? So, I've been having an issue with the suspension on the MR2. Whenever you're going down the highway and you like hit wind or like a little bump, it'll like shake side to side a little bit. So, I think I have an idea of what the issue is. So, I have these two braces right here. And they're rear chassis braces. And I'm hoping that it will solve my issue, or at least make it way better. The one on the driver's side is completely rusted out, and the one on the passenger side isn't even there. So I'll just go back there and show you. Alright, this is that brace I was talking about. You can see it's completely rusty. It goes all the way over to there, and I can wiggle it by hand easily. And there's not even one on the other side. So there's no bolts in it either, so I'm gonna have to take off both of these bolts. I'm gonna take off both sides, or this one and that one, just to make sure that they're the same size. They probably are, but I'm gonna take them off and I'm gonna go to the hardware store and I'll get new bolts for the other side. So as you can see, the old one in the middle is completely rusted out, and I've got two brand new OEM ones. And for the bolts, I actually found a couple in my bolts pin. Will work, these two little guys. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and get them bolted up and see what happens. Alright, so got the new braces on. You see, it's not all rusty anymore. Can you see the other side? Yeah. Can't really see the other side from here. One second. And here's the other side. See, it's right between these pipes. I didn't have one there at all earlier, so I'm gonna go take it for a test drive. Alright, so as you saw, I just put both of those braces on. The driver's side was completely rusted out, and the passenger side wasn't there at all. So I just got those, put two brand new ones on, and I'm going to go take it for a test drive after I let it off the stands, and then we'll see if it made any difference at all. Alright, so just got back from my test drive, and it seems like it's way better. So I think that was the issue. If this didn't fix it, I didn't really know what I was going to do. I was probably just going to have to break down and buy polyurethane bushings or something, but I really don't want to do that because I'm autocrossing in street class. So poly bushings are illegal, but it looks like I don't have to do that because it is way better now. At least it was when I drove it, so I don't see why it wouldn't be later on. So we'll see. That's pretty much it for the day. Yeah, that was pretty much the only interesting thing I did today, really. I spent all day working on our Escape. I changed valve cover gaskets, and I replaced the coil packs in the rear bank. So that's all finished now though, and it's running much better. But like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.